play down to 10.
And at the end, it was standing.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. This door's got some abuse to it.
Yeah, it actually just fell off.
I see you reinforced it. I tried to, yeah.
Yeah, it's got wood and all that in it.
Okay. Nice. So what's your name there? What's in here?
CJ with 2 megahertz. It's 4 3015Rs on the AMK 8K behind me at 1 ohm.
Okay. Wow.
And then there's 8 6.5 Sylvesters on that 180x4 down there. And then these 2 T25 Neos on the radio power, and then these 2 whatever Hannibal something on the radio power as well.
And a drive report. Okay. Have you done any kind of SPL on it?
Not really. Right now it's kind of, we got to work out the flaws with it. We're new to wall since it was a no wall not too long ago.
Okay.
It's got some flaws into it right now.
How do you like the difference in your bandwidth change?
It's definitely musical. I do like that. It's a lot. It definitely is windier lower, I can say, because that's adding a 4th one to it.
Yeah.
It definitely gets that.
Okay. Awesome. And these are the 3015Rs, so those 2800 RMAX? I can't remember.
Yes.
That's what they are? Okay.
5600 max.
Wow. All of that pushed on this big amp, man. At half ohm?
Right now it's at 1.
At 1, okay.
If we wanted to, if we had more speaker wire, it'd be back at 1/4. But
Oh my gosh. You said add again? You tried it at that?
It was ran at 1/4 for a year straight.
Wow, okay.
And then went to 0.33, popped the output side and fixed it, and now it's working.
Yeah. Okay. Sweet. And what did you say it was tuned to?
25.
Okay, so lows. And you have that window up for loading off of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll do a 17 and go a little higher.
Okay. 17? Wow. All right.
It'll play down to 10, but I don't
Yeah.
really like it. It's been in and out here about the past 2 weeks, probably about 10 times.
Really? Trying to get it ready for the show. You did good, man. I like it.
Plus, this off, it's not. You can see it's not completely dry yet.
Yeah. So what's your cubic space on this box? Net, if you know, or roughly? 14? Okay. Wow, you really squeezed into the vehicle then.
Yeah.
It wasn't slide in?
It was.
Oh, so you'll be able to slide it
So
in?
slide in, and then all of this other stuff was added on.
Okay.
It only took a back window out with it. So.
Oh, got it. Okay. Nice work. And this is a, what vehicle?
A 96 F250.
F250, okay. Sweet.
It's got some more work, but
Yes, sir.
it's work in progress.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get a picture real quick, sorry.
All right, very good.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a really weird dead zone right now. It'll play from 17 to about 40, but right in that mid 20 it loses for some reason.
Really? Oh, that's
I
weird.
think it might be a little small, but
Yeah.
it's just testing tuning it right now.
Yep.
one, it's got a little dead zone about 28, 29.
Okay. With both windows down?
It loses right now for some reason.
It does? Oh, okay. That's good, dude. I'm sure you're still work in progress on it, but I like it, dude. I appreciate the demo. That was pretty crazy that you were playing down to what, like 17 hertz? That's wild.
Yeah, it's a really weird dead zone right now. It'll play from 17 to about 40, but right in that mid 20 it loses for some reason.
Really? Oh, that's weird.
I think it might be a little small, but
yeah.